Hey there, Chuck here at Pals. Getting close to Christmas, a few days to go. And after that, a few more days and we start a whole new year. Can't wait to see what 2025 brings to not just my personal life, but to everybody here at the shop as well. Anyway, this is our Ford Escape that we're getting ready to put the engine back in. And there's the engine. And wow, look at the big hole under the car. That's right. You see that? When you do these, you have to take the entire subframe out of the car. We lower the engine down onto this stand and then we lift the car up over it. Now he'll do the reverse of that. He'll lower the car down, get the engine bolted in, and then it's just a matter of reassembly from there. So as you can see, it's quite a complicated process in doing this type of work. But we have the expertise and the knowledge here at Pals to make sure you get taken care of. So if you need your engine replaced, bring it to Pals. We'll help you get that car back on the road soon. See you soon at Pals.